Welcome everyone. I am Rahul Sharma from KSOL India Limited, and I am excited to have you here for our webinar Why Adopting Ambari plus BigTop is a Smart Move for Telecom Data Platform. Telecom companies today face some of the most demanding data challenges globally, from processing billions of call records, managing network data, handling IoT, to delivering AI-powered services in real time. Managing this kind of data efficiently requires more than legacy systems. In today's session, we will explore how open source tools like Apache Ambari and Apache BigTop offers a scalable, vendor-independent solution for managing big data infrastructure. We will understand why more telecom operators are adopting them for critical workloads and walk through their architecture, use case, and key benefits. Telecom operators generate petabytes of data every day, not just structured data, but logs, network events, and streaming sensor data. Legacy systems face four big problems. First, limited scalability for growing data volumes. Second, high cost of vendor-locked platforms. Third, complex multi-tools environment with fragmented management. Fourth, difficulty integrating AI/ML or real-time analytics. The industry needs open source, scalable and flexible solution, and that's where Apache Ambari and BigTalks comes in picture. Okay, let's talk about what is Apache Ambari. Apache Ambari is an open source platform designed for managing Hadoop-based big data cluster in simple and centralized way. Its main capabilities are like centralized cluster management with a web UI and REST API, full service lifecycle operations like install, configure, start, stop, and upgrade services, role-based access control for secure operations, real-time cluster health monitoring alerts and performance metrics, seamless integration and management of big data services like Kafka, NiFi, HDFS, Hive, and Spark. Because it is an open source, Ambari gives telecom operators freedom from commercial licensing restriction while delivering enterprise-grade operation control. What is Apache BigTop? While Ambari manages cluster, Apache BigTop is responsible for building and deploying big data components. Key features of BigTops are pre-packaged binaries for Hadoop, Hive, Kafka, Spark, NiFi, and many more. Support for DevOps tools like Docker, Puppet, and Gradle. Build your own stack flexibility for custom telecom deployments. It is essential act as universal installer and builder for your data services, avoiding vendor locking. Okay, let's understand how Ambari and BigTop complement each other. Apache BigTop focus on the build and deployment side. It provisions services, build package, and integrate with DevOps tools like Docker, Puppet, and Gradle. It is responsible for preparing, deploying big data components like Hadoop, Hive, Kafka, Spark, NiFi. Apache Ambari handles the management side and monitoring side, such as configure service, start service, stop service, monitoring cluster, track service metrics, and managing alerts. BigTop deploys your stack and Ambari manage it. This clear division of responsibility makes them an ideal combination for modern telecom data platforms. Okay, what will happen if we combine Apache Ambari and BigTop? When we used Apache Ambari and BigTop together, it will provide a complete open source, vendor independent control system for big data platforms. BigTop handles service packaging, setup, and deployment, while Ambari manages service operation, configuration, and monitoring from center place. Together, they offer open source control without vendor locking, faster and easier provisioning, and real-time service management, flexibility to add or upgrade components as needed, a strong community support platform built for telecom big data workloads. Okay, let's discuss about architecture diagram. As you can see in the slide, We have three layers. First one is provisioning layer, where BigTop comes in. BigTop handles service building and deployments. In the second layer, we have management layer, where Ambari comes in. Ambari manages service, orchestration, and monitoring. Third layer is data service layer, where components like Kafka for ingestion, HDFS for storage, Spark for analytics, and Hive for query comes in. This is scalable, cloud-ready, and AI-compatible infrastructure built for entirely with open source tools. Okay, let's talk about a use case. One of the most widely adopted telecom big data use case is CDR, Cold Detail Record. Let's talk about how it works. Inject cold data. CDR with caller ID, call duration, time, and location are streamed via Kafka. Store data securely. Raw CDR files land in HDFS tools like NiFi or Flum handle ingestion pipelines. Process and analyze. Spark or Hive process this data for detecting fraud, analytics traffic patterns, or predicting outrages. Monitoring by Ambari. Ambari oversees service, health, data processing job, and resource utilization for entire pipeline. Let's talk about benefits. This enables near real-time fraud detection, network optimization, and customer churn analytics without vendor lock-in. Okay, now let's take a quick look at some of the common challenges team face with open source deployment and how we can address them. First one, training and onboarding. Training and onboarding can be a hurdle, especially for new users. To help with this, we can use Ambari UI and REST API, which make cluster operation easier to understand and manage. Another challenge is lack of commercial support. In such case, partnering with open source vendor or communities can provide the guidance and reliability needed for production setup. And finally, complex upgrades can slow things down. BigTop rolling updates capabilities make this process smoother and help avoid service interruptions. So with the right tools and support, these challenges can be efficiently managed. Okay, let's quickly recap the key benefits of using Apache Ambari and BigTop together in telecom environment. First, they are production ready, capable of handling large-scale telecom workloads reliably. They are 100% open source, meaning no licensing cost and no vendor lock-in. They simplify lifecycle management from install and configure to upgrade and monitoring. With unified monitoring and deployment, everything can be managed centrally through a consistent interface. And finally, the stack is future-proof and cloud-ready. Make it easy to scalable and migrate as your need grow. So, whether you are managing or prem cluster or preparing for a hybrid or cloud native future, this open source stack sets you up for long term success. Thank you all for joining us today. Adopting Ambari plus BigTalk is a smart move for modern telecom enterprise to simplify, scalable, and future proof their data infrastructure. If you have any query, please feel free to connect at Case's email ID, LinkedIn, and website.